and welcome back to another video. Today is the second and last video of us kind of moving into the caravan because, as you can probably tell, we are in the caravan. This video is very jumbled, so I am gonna kind of narrate through it. Did I say that wrong? I feel like I said that wrong. I've just made myself some avocado on toast and a cup of tea because I'm absolutely starving. I am filming this on Thursday the 10th of January, and on Tuesday my mum and I cleaned the entire house. I'm coming to you completely barefaced. It is Tuesday the 8th, I think, today of January, and today is the day that my mum and I are going to clean most of this house. So let's get on with it. And yes, that is the only clip I got. I just got so stuck into cleaning and like just getting in the zone that I just totally forgot to pick up my camera, and by the time I realized, I was like, you know what, I don't care, like it's fine. On Wednesday there was an inspection booked at our house for like someone to come see if they wanted to move in and whatever, so I decided that that morning I was going to pack my entire car full of all of our stuff and move it into the caravan. I got to the caravan at about 8 AM and then I spent the next 2 hours just putting stuff away. To go into work for a few hours, but I filmed a bit more that night. It's our first night in the caravan and we're just in the process of sorting everything out. It still looks like a mess, but we're getting there slowly. Laptops, Brett's stuff, shoes, just waiting for the kettle to boil so I can do the dishes. And then this morning we woke up in the caravan. Brett had to go to work, so I just kind of took my time tidying up and filmed a little montage of that. Us to right now. This morning my mum and I took some more stuff to, we've ended up getting a small storage unit for us, and also my mum wanted to put some stuff in there, so that was helpful because it means we didn't have to pay for the full thing by ourselves. We got the last few things from the house to put into the storage unit this morning, and now I'm just sitting here having my avocado toast and editing this video, and I realized how little I have filmed. But yeah, we are in the caravan now. It's still a mess, and it still will be a mess until we go, because there's a lot of stuff in here that's actually going to go in Brett's car, but while we're still here and he has to go to work and stuff, he didn't want to put it all in his car and have it all just sitting there, so that's fine. But there's just shit everywhere basically, and we're still kind of figuring out where we want things. But today is Thursday and I have a to-do list. It's not as big as yesterday's. Yesterday's was huge. Oh my god, I only filmed caravan stuff, but I did so much. So this is what is on my to-do list today. I have to clean the caravan, so I want to get mum's vacuum and like vacuum the floor properly. After Brett finishes work tonight, we have to go pick up our fridge, washing machine and microwave that we're giving to someone and drop it off at their house. And then we have to go do groceries because we generally do groceries on a Thursday night, so we have to do that after we do that. I want to film, edit and upload this video that you're watching, and I also need to get some kind of little containery box, pretty little trinket tray thing to sit somewhere near the front door, because Brett just chucks his like wallet and keys and everywhere just there, and I absolutely hate it. So I want to get some kind of little thing that I can put there that he can just chuck his stuff in. So that's on today's to-do list. It's not that much. I just wanted to A, narrate that part of the vlog, and then B, film the rest of my day, because I'll probably end up going to an op shop maybe to find a container, or maybe just Kmart or Target, or I'm not really sure. But anyway, I'm going to continue eating my toast and watching a YouTube video, and I'll see you guys in a bit. I totally forgot, but I have this hanging fruit basket that I wanted to put up today. So I'm thinking oh, my bangles. I was gonna put it diagonal here because I didn't want it to hit anything, but I've done a test, and just having it along this one, it won't hit the wall, or it'll only just hit the wall. And being that we're probably not going to buy a whole heap of produce, I think it'll be fine. So yeah, I think I'm just going to hang it here. It just looks like it fits perfectly, and there I feel like it's too intrusive, so I feel like just here will be fine. So I'm going to see if I can put the hooks in myself. Okay, so they're not going in. I think the wood's too hard, so I'm going to wait for Brett to get home and see what I need to do. So that is a failed mission, but oh well. Okay, so the floors are done. There is still like hair and stuff on them. There, you can see it better there, but it's so much better than it was. Like, it kind of looks worse in the camera than it does in real life, I think, because the brightness is up. But I'm so happy that I finally did that. There was two factors contributing to all the white fluff on the ground. One is Charlie's dog hair. She's not allowed in here, but all of her hair is on like all of our stuff, so it's just been kind of collecting over time. And also, we used to have a white fluffy rug in the middle of the kitchen just because we needed one, and I couldn't find one that I liked before we went to Bayfly, so I just temporarily chucked that one in here, not even thinking about the white fluff. But I've just chucked that out. I've got a temporary, like our round bathroom mat that we used to have. I've temporarily just washed that. I'm gonna put that in the middle for now, but I think I'm gonna do my trip to Bunnings now. I have a few things that I need to pick up, and I'll see if I can find like a small rug there that I like. So my trip to Bunnings, and I ended up going to the reject shop, wasn't very successful. I ended up getting a mat, but it's way smaller than I thought it was. Like, I keep thinking this area is so small, but it's actually quite big. So the hunt for a mat will continue. I'm just gonna, I mean, that one might be good for a front door mat when that one gets shit, but I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna end this vlog here because it's starting to just not be a moving vlog anymore. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe. My Instagram is @beceldrup if you want to check that out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.